What's up, guys? Made it through Thanksgiving. Had a little issue with snow on the way, but look at all this crap. Yuck. Let's get this episode rolling. Nothing says Black Friday morning like a ton of snow. It's gonna be a fun day. Fun day, fun day. Look at all that. They got the front end loaders out and everything clearing the parking lots, so we shall see how it goes. And this is why I like my route. Check this out. No snow. Well, a little tiny bit, but that's it. With my route, I drive out of the snow, and then I have to drive back into it with an empty trailer, so that kind of sucks. But anyhow, hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, Turkey Day, whatever you want to call it. I ate way too much. Probably gained 5 pounds at least. I think I ate probably 5 platefuls. So, one more holiday to get through, and then back to the gym. I hope. So here's a couple things that customers say to drivers that really annoy us, and you should probably know ahead of time so that you don't get some weird looks from drivers. If you're in a store or outside a store and you see someone unloading their trailer, don't walk up to them and say, "Hey, you could throw all that in my trunk." No, we can't. Don't say that. You sound stupid. Usually it's people like retirement age, but sometimes it's not. And we'll try and be nice and polite and be like, fake laugh. But yeah, we hear it almost every day, and it gets annoying. And if you catch us on a bad day, you don't even really get a response. I'm sorry. Second thing, if you're in a store, and like what just happened to me, I was waiting to get checked in at a store. It was super busy, and this guy just walks up to me and he's like, "Is there like a national shortage on such and such product that we carry?" And I said, "No." He's like, "Well, then why can't I get it anywhere?" I'm like, "We have it in this store and this store and this store." And he's like, "Oh, so just in the big stores?" I'm like, and it was like one of our brands that doesn't sell like all that well in smaller stores. I'm like, "Well, yeah, you can get it in those stores." He's like, "Well, they don't carry it here." I'm like, it's because they don't have it in their set. Like, if you don't see a shelf tag for something in a store, don't get mad at the driver that it's not in the store. It's not the driver's responsibility to just bring in whatever. Like, the store sets the planogram, and that's what we bring into the stores. So, just in case y'all didn't know, that's how it goes. So this is what it looks like where I'm at right now. Just wait an hour. What'd I tell you? Bullshit, man. I know what you're thinking. Sean, you live in the Midwest. You should be used to all this snow. Well, yeah, but nothing prepares you for the first snowfall of the year. Well, not the first snowfall, but the first blizzard. That's what we've got going on until at least Sunday. They're saying we're supposed to get around 3 feet of snow. So, yeah, I'm going to be snow blowing a lot today. When I get back, I'll show you the before and after. And then a little bit later on after that, just to show you how much snow we are getting. They're talking about possibly shutting down the highways and the interstates, but such is life in the Midwest. Carry on. Look at all this crap. Yuck. Be done in a minute. Can't see it very well because it's dark out, but that's a ton of snow. It's enough that the snowblower is clogging up. Probably gonna have to do it 4 or 5 more times this weekend. Yuck. Not too exciting of a video today, but this is Sean, this is winter, this is my life after work in the winter. Sucks. Till it melts. Anyhow, be safe, stay sinful. I'll see you next time.